Hi guys, welcome to this video about what you can do if you have a connection problem between a Wear 2.0 watch and an Android phone. So the situation which I have here, I had this LG sports watch connected to my Samsung phone since about 2 years or so, or a little bit more than 1 year. And now I have been switching to a new phone. That's the Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. Everything works pretty good. I'm just struggling to connect, so I'm showing you what happens. Here we have the Wear OS app, which you have to download, of course. Starting setup, agree, and yeah, diagnose. I have been trying with or without diagnose. There seems to be no difference. So here it asks to connect to the watch, and here I have my connectivity, and that's the Bluetooth what we need. Here we have Bluetooth. Here you can see it's still connected to the old phone, but we actually don't want that. So I want to connect it to a new device. And now we'll wait if it finds something. So here we have some strange device. I don't know what it is. I've been trying to connect to this thing, but it's just some kind of, I don't know, wireless, or maybe a headset or something like that. But it's definitely not this phone. So you see, it's finished. Yeah, it didn't find it. And also here, if we go to settings, we go to, hopefully you can see that. So we go to Bluetooth and we refresh. Yeah, it's refreshing anyway. So you can see, scanning here, doesn't see anything. Here we have just, yeah, that's the other phone which I also have, but no. And here the same device with the 4A. So, but nothing else. So definitely here no LG watch, and here no Xiaomi phone. So, okay, of course, what I did, and what I also recommend, of course, what all pages say, you should try to uninstall, reinstall the Wear OS app. That's always a good thing. Then restart your phone, restart your watch, try again. So if everything doesn't work, there are actually just two options left, or yeah, maybe three. That's buying a new phone or buying a new watch. But first thing I will try is definitely to reset the watch. Second thing will be resetting the phone, but I do not really recommend that. I mean, that's a almost brand new phone, so it's almost resetted, so it doesn't make too much sense for me to reset again, and I will definitely not do that. I'll try to resolve the situation now with a reset on the watch, and so I will show you if it works after that. So if you want to know how this works, we go to these settings, and then we go to system, and then we go to, where's that? Yeah, disconnect and reset. So, okay, delete everything. Yeah, good. So let's do that. Will take a while. So I've been choosing the language here on the watch after the reboot, and it says I have to download the Wear OS app and then connect to this phone name. So we'll see if this works this time. So start the Wear OS again, and yeah, oh wow, look at this thing. Isn't that amazing? right away from start. So I'm not going to show you the whole rest of the thing. But this is definitely my advice before you buy a new phone, or at least reset the phone, reset the watch. It's much easier. Of course, there will be some settings which you have to redo, maybe reinstall some additional apps which are not automatically transferred between the phone and the watch. But yeah, but it's not such a big deal than setting up a new phone. So looks as it works. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.